So some of the reasons why you may be overpaying for dental implants would include having to go to multiple offices and multiple doctors to have the work done, which will ultimately cost you more money. Also, if you do not go to a doctor who has done a lot of implants previously, an implant fails, you may have to get it redone. That could be more costly eventually. Some doctors will charge a lower fee, but they use a low quality implant which may not last as long. We use the premium quality here with each and everything we do. We also have the state of the art equipment, which is very important for the dental implants placement and success, because having this equipment allow us to precisely plan and place the implants so that there is less chances of failure. We also work closely with one of the best labs in the country, and because the aesthetics that turns out are unbelievable compared to other offices that may use a less expensive lab to save money and give you a lower cost, but again, you are not going to get the expected results that you would like to get, and ultimately these implants fail and patients end up with frustration. We are able to provide lower cost with best quality materials. So here at the State of the Art Dental Group, we can create a smile that you can have for a lifetime.